When was the last time you took a trip that didn't need a packed itinerary to be unforgettable? Sometimes the memories that stay with us aren't made of famous landmarks. They're made with the people we love. This trip reminded me of just that.
And then like that's a coffee shop. It's actually really really good and tranquil.
Hey, y'all, this is Kai, and welcome to Kai Explores Life. This is a place where I embrace life after 50 through gardening, travel, nature, and everyday adventures. Whether I'm growing something new in the garden, or exploring new destinations, or simply enjoying the beauty around me, I'm here to share it with you and hopefully inspire your journey. If you're already a part of this amazing community, thank you. If you're new, I'd love for you to subscribe and join us for the next adventure. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and if your YouTube app gives you the option, hype this video. It really helps support the channel. Now let's get started. Here's what I've learned about travel over 50. It's no longer just about new places and seeing buildings and being in crowded spaces and standing in long lines. This trip showed me way more. I love the social interactions between my children and their friends. And I love the amazement on the faces of my loved ones when they see wonders of nature. I love hearing laughter and having stimulating conversations. I was looking forward to this trip because we were all coming together after not being in the same space together for almost a year. I am craving family reunions more than ever lately. What matters more to me today than 10 years ago is seeing how much my grandchildren have grown, how smart they are, and all the things that they are taking an interest in, and how each one of my children's family has grown. I'm grateful to be healthy enough to travel. I'm grateful to have the finances to buy a plane ticket, to visit them, or to go somewhere else, especially if you need gas money, because in this economy, things are so expensive. So just taking a break and being able to breathe and rest and relax and have fun is the greatest joy that I could have ever had on this trip.
Yes, it is. I bet it is. I bet it is because he's young.
I want to remember all the fun and all the quality time we had, as well as the firework fiasco that occurred. That was craziness. I do travel a lot, especially in the past. And what surprised me is even though I have visited Elizabethtown, Kentucky many times before, I haven't even scratched the surface for new things to see and do. So I'm really looking forward to my next trip whenever I go to see more things. My turn, Mom. I'm coming. I think I'm stuck. What? You better come on. Then take your butt back out. Now, we're about to do something that has been on my bucket list for a long time, but when I was planning it before, I was planning it solo. But guess what? I get to check this off my bucket list, but with my family. That means so much to me, even though I wish other family members could have been there along for this trip. Next time, it will definitely happen next time. But my goodness, checking this off my bucket list was amazing. And there's way more to see than what we were able to do on this trip because the kiddos probably wouldn't have liked doing a 2 hour tour. So we did the self guided tour, and that was even more fun because we can go at our own pace and take our time and see as much as we want to see. And yeah, we'll get a chance to go back again. But trust me, it was really cold in there. But it was a relief because it was really hot outside. Family's here.
Guys are just walking right on past me.
Everybody knows that once you come home from a vacation, yes, you have to take a rest day. And I missed tending to the garden while I was gone because that's my new obsession. But the garden survived while we were away making memories. Home feels different after traveling. I feel like I went away and got recharged. But it takes me a while to come down off of a high and get back into the swing of things. But it comes naturally. And while I'm recharging, all I'm doing right now is thinking about the next visit. Because, man, that trip was exactly what I needed. Well, it's been a few days since being back from a joyous vacation, and now I'm back in the swing of things. Feeling my obsession with the garden, doing all the things that make me feel good every day on a daily basis, like the garden, walking, eating healthy, building wealth, all of those type of things. But I am definitely looking forward to the next gathering with my family. Maybe in the fall, possibly in the winter, but it definitely needs to happen because I have to be able to recharge my inner battery every year. So, in the meantime, everyone, good mental health, good physical health, and as always, good spiritual health. Y'all take the greatest of care.